quick tutorial, King of Kings. So easy. Oh my goodness, I love this song though. It's like, all right, so it's in the key of D. Then it repeats. In the darkness, we were waiting. All right, so all it's doing is look, it's just playing double D's on the left, and it's just playing these four notes right here. These four notes. Get these notes down, and then you have the intro. Okay, so all it's doing is, sorry, you don't even have to hold it. Just okay. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so play double D's. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 1. In the darkness, we were waiting. Okay? Then it gets to the verse. Verses are really three chords. Okay, so in the darkness, all you're gonna do is play F sharps in your left, then play A, D, F sharp, A in your right. So in the darkness, we were waiting. Okay, now we're gonna transition to G chord. I like to play G major 7 because from this D chord, all I'm doing is taking these A's in my right hand and moving them to the B's. And then I'm moving my left to the G's. And that gives me a G major 7. So in the darkness, we were waiting without hope. A chord. A, E in the left. A, C sharp, E, A in the right. Without hope and without life. Okay, on the light. Without light is a D chord. D's in the left, A, D, F sharp, A in the right. So from the A chord, right? Without hope, without light. All I'm doing is from this A chord, I'm just dropping, moving this C sharp to the D and then the E to the F sharp. That's it. And then playing D. And that makes it easier to go back into the verse because you're going to keep this chord when you start over. Okay? You're going to keep this right hand when you start over. So in the darkness, we were waiting without hope, without light. Till from heaven you came, right? So that repeats throughout the entire verse. Okay, verse 1, verse 2, and whatever other verses are in there. That's the verses. The chorus is very similar. Okay, you're just gonna play. Praise the no, actually, let's go right here. Praise the Father, praise the Son. Okay, all you're doing is playing that D chord we learned in the beginning. Praise the Father, praise the Son. Okay, on praise the Son is G chord. So praise the Father, praise the Son. There were new chord. Praise the Spirit. Okay. All that is from that G chord. We're gonna keep the right hand how I taught in the beginning. The B, D, F sharp, and B. And from the G, you're gonna just move to the B. You play F sharp as well. So, praise the Spirit. Sorry, praise the Son. Praise the Spirit. 3 in 1. What am I doing there? On 3 and 1, all you're doing is playing the A chord over D. Okay? So you got an A chord in your right hand and you're playing a D in your left. Okay? You play it like that, but I just play it like this. So Spirit, praise the Spirit, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. The 1 is at the A chord we already learned. So again, praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, 3 and 1. Okay, then it repeats. God of glory, majesty. I wish I could sing, man. It'd be a rap. I'm telling you. Majesty, praise for ever to the King of Kings. And then it goes back, I think. Right? To reveal the law and prophets. Okay, so what did I just do? The chorus repeats itself, right? Praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, 3 and 1. God of glory, majesty. Then praise for ever. And forever is the G major 7. Praise forever to the King, A of Kings, D. And then it goes back to the verse 1 that verse 2. And we already know those chords. Okay? Then it repeats to the chorus. Okay? And that's the entire song. Just verses and choruses. So, in short, get down D chord over F sharp. Get down a G major 7, and then get down a chord. And then there's a B minor. So there's really only 4 chords in this entire song, really. So if you want to play it a simple way, you could just play it just D. You don't even have to play it over the F sharp. It sounds better with the F sharp, but just keep it D right here. And then right? You can play it that way. You can make your life simple. It'll still sound great. But those are the chords. Super easy tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. Please subscribe. We're about to turn up. I'm gonna get better quality sounding stuff, and it's gonna be a wrap. I'm telling you, you're not gonna want to miss out, because I'm gonna just drop free stuff. Like, I'm never gonna charge. Like, I'm about to get a beginning tutorial for beginners, go on a whole lesson plan that I'm just gonna drop for free. So that's what I like to do. I like to give back. God's blessed me, and so I like to just give back. You know what I mean? So anyway, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Peace.